Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and let's draw Pearl from Steven Universe. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to draw her we're gonna start out with an eye. So it's just basically a one egg shape. So this will be drawn in a 3/4 view. Okay, and then from that eye, we're gonna come over and draw in her nose first. So come right around here, just angle across, and then come back down. So that's her nose, and then for her other eye, we're gonna start right here. Just another egg shape, but just draw behind this angle right here, behind her nose. Okay, and then to finish up the eyeball, inside here, just another egg shape. This time it's going to be touching the sides. So same thing here. Alright, and then just come down right here. I'm just going to give her a little smile. So now we draw in the rest of her face. So this is just basically another egg shape. We're going to start on the side here. Just right over her nose, just kind of draw like a little arc. And then we'll finish the bottom first. We'll just curve it down. So stop right around here. Now this part here will curve up. And this is probably the trickiest part. So just come down like this, so a little bracket. And then from here, let's just go ahead and finish up the detail inside. So she's got another egg shape right in the middle of her forehead. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in the awesome hair that she has. So we're going to come across from the nose, just come all the way out. You can make a little point. And from that point, I'm just going to draw a little bracket. And then from this angle here, I'm going to connect to this point here. So from here, just go straight and just connect that. Same thing here, just come all the way down. Alright, so now we're gonna finish up a hair, which is gonna be in here. We're gonna draw the hairlines right here. So right here, I'm gonna start right up here, just curve. And then curve back out. So it's right over the eye right here. Just come down, just hook it in toward the mouth right here. And then right here, just two curves, so one and then two all the way down, and just connect that. Alright, and then I'm gonna add one little curve here just for some extra detail. So that's pretty much it for the head. It looks a little bit tricky, but it's actually pretty easy to draw. Alright, so now for her neck, and she's got a really long neck. So right underneath here, let's draw two lines first. And then we'll go out. This is gonna be all the way out to her shoulders. And then come down, so this is gonna be her little jacket that she wears. And then in here, just draw two lines coming down. And then just close that off. And from those rectangles here, right on the corner, just draw two angles like this. This is gonna be the collar. And let's just finish up the bottom right here, finish up her waist. So right here, real skinny, just kind of taper in and then close it off. And then in the middle here, just draw a little V. And then just go out. Alright, so that's the torso area, and then for her arm, her clothes kind of comes out a little bit more, it's kind of fluffy here. So we're gonna go out and just draw like a little angle like this first. And then come in and then just close it off going up. Okay, so same thing here. Just come out, just give a little angle. Come down with a slant toward this corner and then just hook it back up. And then to finish this off, I'm just gonna add one little rectangle starting on the inside. Alright, so her arm's gonna start here. Let's go ahead and finish up the legs, and then we'll draw in the arms. Okay, so the legs are very easy. It's just pretty much like two little tubes. So right in the middle here, just come down, and it's kind of low. Just come down the side first. This is gonna be the hip. Okay, so from here, really long legs. Just kind of taper in. This is gonna be your knee. So very cartoony. All right, and then one more, all the way down here. And then on this line here, I'm gonna stop a little short. And then for a foot, just basically like a triangle. So just come across, and then we'll just close that off. It should be a triangle. Okay, so same thing here, come all the way down. Just use the other side for reference, and then now we'll come out. Stop early, go back to the bottom, straight across. Close that off. And then for the detail on the shoe here, just one little line here on the bottom. And then two lines right here. Alright, so those are her long legs, and then now going back up to the arm. So this one is gonna be straight down, and then we'll make this one curve a little bit. Alright, so we'll start here. We just come down here first, almost waist level. That's gonna be the elbow area. And then we'll just kind of flare out just a little bit. And then pinch it back in. Again, it's gonna be very skinny. Alright, and then for her hand, here's the back of the palm. Just draw a little angle like this first. Come back in, so that's gonna be one of her fingers. And then right here, just draw a little curve. So this is gonna be her thumb. Okay, and then come back up here to the wrist. Curve, so that's gonna be the inside of the palm. And then right here, I'm just gonna draw one finger. Just come back in, right into the thumb area. So we have two more in here. I know it's kind of small. So just draw one line and go behind it. And then one more, just go and then right behind the finger. Hope you guys can see that. I know it's really small. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So again, come down. That's gonna be the elbow. So I'm just gonna bend it out slightly. Okay, so make the bottom one slightly longer. This one here, angle. Again, this is gonna be your finger, so just come back in. And then for a thumb right here, I'm gonna start right here, just a little curve, and just connect it to the bottom here. Okay, and then right underneath the thumb, just gonna draw another one, so this is gonna be your pinky. And then again, in between there, we have to draw two more. So from the thumb here, I'm gonna come out. It's gonna be one, and then one more right behind it. So it's gonna come down and just kind of tuck it there. Alright, so that is it for this pearl from Steven Universe. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.